Hello, everyone. I'm James. Welcome back to Easy English for You. Alice, you look very comfortable today.
Hi, James. Yes, I stayed at home all weekend. Some people say I am a boring person because I never go out.
Actually, Alice, you should be happy about that. Did you know that people who love staying at home have a secret power?
A secret power? Do you mean I can fly?
Haha, not exactly. I mean, you have a brain that is perfect for learning English.
Wait, staying at home makes me better at English? Is that a joke, James?
No, it is real science. Today, we will talk about why being a homebody is a scientific gift for your English. Many people think you need to go out and talk to foreigners to learn English. But the truth is, your home is the best brain gym in the world.
This is very interesting. I usually feel guilty when I stay on my sofa all day.
Don't feel guilty.
Really? My sofa is a brain gym?
Exactly. Let me show you why. When you are at home, what do you usually do?
I organize my room, I plan my week, I clean everything.
And when you study English, what do you do?
I check grammar rules, I find my mistakes, I look for patterns.
Alice, do you see it?
See what?
Organizing, planning, finding patterns, fixing mistakes. That is exactly what your brain needs to learn English.
Oh my gosh, that's the same thing.
Exactly. That is reason number 1. Your brain is already trained to learn English.
But how?
When you organize your home, you use the front part of your brain. That same part controls grammar patterns, finding rules, and fixing mistakes in English.
So my cleaning habit is also English practice?
Yes, every time you organize your room, you train your English brain.
James, nobody ever told me this before.
Most English courses don't teach this. They teach grammar rules, they teach vocabulary lists, but they never tell you about your own brain's natural strengths.
Wait, so I have been training my English brain without knowing it?
Exactly. And here's the key idea for today. English is not memorization. English is pattern recognition.
Pattern recognition. Okay, I need that on my wall.
Let's go to reason number 2. Homebody people are very good at grouping things.
Grouping things? Like organizing?
Exactly. When you clean your room, what do?
I put similar things together. Books with books, clothes by color.
Yes, your brain loves to find groups. And in English, that skill is incredibly powerful.
How?
Let's look at irregular verbs. Most people memorize them one by one, but your brain can do something smarter. Listen, sing, sang, sung.
Oh, they all change the same way.
Right. Now try these. Speak, spoke, spoken. Break, broke, broken. Wake, woke, woken.
Same pattern again.
You just learned 9 verbs from 2 patterns. Not 9 separate words, 2 patterns.
This is completely different from how I studied before.
Because before, you were using the wrong strategy. The brain that organizes your bookshelf also organizes language.
I feel like I just found a secret.
You did, and most people never find it. Reason number 3. A clean, quiet space makes your English listening much better.
Wait, really? Just because my room is clean?
Yes, Science shows that a messy space takes up brain energy, even when you're not looking at the mess.
Even when I'm not looking at it?
Your brain is always processing the background, and that leaves less brain power for English.
Oh, that's why I feel so tired after studying in a coffee shop.
Exactly. Your brain was fighting the noise and the people the whole time.
So studying at home wasn't antisocial. It was smart.
It was the right choice. A clear space creates a clear mind.
I just thought of that phrase myself last time.
And you were right. When your space is clear, you can hold longer English sentences in your head. You can follow faster speech. You understand more.
This is why homebody people learn English faster than they think.
Now you're getting it. Before reason 4, I want to ask everyone listening right now. Do you study better at home or do you prefer a cafe? Tell us in the comments.
I am Team Homebody and very proud now.
And if you have a funny story about trying to study somewhere noisy, share it. I read every comment. Okay, reason number 4. This one is the most important.
I'm ready.
Homebody people are consistent.
Consistent means doing the same thing every day, right?
Yes, and consistency is the number 1 factor in language success. More than talent, more than intelligence.
Really? More than being smart?
Research on thousands of language learners shows the same result every time. The people who became fluent were not the most talented. They were the most consistent.
And homebody people are consistent because
they have routines. They stay home. They repeat things every day. Let me show you 2 people. Person A goes to language meetups every weekend, talks to foreigners, very social. Person B stays home every evening, studies for 30 minutes every single day.
After 1 month, person A sounds more confident, right?
Yes, after 1 month. After 1 year,
Person B?
Person B studied over 100 hours. Their grammar became automatic. Their listening became natural. Their English became a habit.
Because they repeated it every day.
Language lives in repetition, and repetition is what homebody people do best.
James, I always felt guilty for not going out more to practice English. Like I was doing it wrong.
You were not doing it wrong. You were building the foundation. Most people try to speak first and learn later, but the right order is build the inside first, then speak from strength.
Build the inside first, then speak.
When you speak from that strong foundation, you don't freeze. The words just come.
That's exactly what I want. I always freeze when I try to speak.
Because you've been trying to build the roof before the foundation.
Foundation first, roof second. So clear.
Now, let me give you 1 practice method. Just 1, because 1 done every day is better than 5 done never.
Okay, what is it?
I call it the echo method. Here's how it works. Step 1, listen to 1 English sentence. Just 1. Step 2, stop, close your eyes. Step 3, say the sentence from memory. Try to copy the rhythm and speed.
Like repeating after?
A little different. You pause first, then you rebuild it from memory. Your brain has to hold the sentence and reconstruct it. That is where the real learning happens.
Can we try right now?
Let's do it. Listen to this sentence. I couldn't believe how fast the time went by.
Okay, I couldn't believe how fast the time went by.
Beautiful. Did you feel the rhythm?
Yes, some words felt stronger than others.
That's your brain learning natural English stress. Now this one. It's been a while since we last caught up.
It's been a while since we last caught up.
Perfect. Alice, you just practiced real English at home with no one else.
And it actually felt natural.
That is the homebody advantage.
I love that phrase.
10 minutes of echo method every day. That is your homework this week.
10 minutes. I can definitely do that.
Alice, can you give everyone a quick summary?
Yes, okay. Reason 1. Your organizing habit trains the same brain skill as English grammar patterns. Reason 2. Grouping things at home is the same as grouping language patterns. Reason 3. A clean, quiet space gives your brain more power to understand English. Reason 4. Consistency beats talent every time. And the one practice to start today, the echo method, 10 minutes a day.
That is perfect, Alice.
Maybe my brain is extra clear today because I cleaned my room this morning.
I think that's exactly right. Everyone listening, remember this. You are not lazy for staying home. You are building your English brain. English fluency is not about how many people you talk to. It is about the habits you build every day.
And now we have the science to prove it.
Next episode, we're going to talk about something that confuses even advanced learners, the word should.
Should, but that's so basic.
You think so? Should can mean advice, criticism, expectation, and even sarcasm, all from one word.
Like when someone says, you should know better, is that an insult?
It can be. Very different from, you should try this restaurant.
Same word, totally different feeling.
That's next time. If you have a question about should, write it in the comments now. We'll answer it in the next episode.
I already have 3 questions.
And if today helped you, please like this video and subscribe. It really helps us reach more learners around the world.
Also, if you join our membership, you get today's PDF summary, 4 reasons, the echo method, and all the key sentences in one page. Honestly, the PDF is what makes everything stick for me. I review it all week and I don't forget what I learned.
The link is right below in the description. Thank you for watching from India, Japan, Taiwan, Germany, Vietnam, and everywhere in between. Try the echo method tonight, just 10 minutes. Listen to this episode one more time if you can. Every time you listen again, your brain gets a little stronger. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.